Hello everybody. So 18th of June 2023, Sunday. We are here, a team of 4 boys at Hampta Pass. We are standing at 4200 meters doing Hampta Pass as a speed hike, crossing it from Chandra all the way till Manali in one single push with just our trail running bags and some aloo paranthas. So let's begin the day. We started our hike from Chandra at around close to 6 a.m. and the aim is to cross Hampta Pass and go all the way to Sethan or Manali, basically starting from Chandra river valley and going all the way to the Beas river valley. And the guard dogs start barking at you. Don't run away, just whistle and they'll relax. Now let's quickly talk about the map for this trail. Hampta Pass connects two major valleys. One is the Chandra river valley and the Beas river valley where Manali is. The pass is situated at approximately 4300 meters. Now there are two ends of this trail. One road head is at Chandra, which is at 3300 meters, and the other road head is at Sethan or Jobri, which is somewhere around 2800 meters. We are choosing Chandra so that we have to do less amount of climb, and then the major part of the trek, the longer distance, we actually descend down. Let's see how it goes. You can see the beautiful Chandra river valley. We are hiking upstream on the left bank of this beautiful huge river. Yeah, 7:15 a.m. The sun is up and shining. There's a very nice path made here through the stones and rocks. Happy to see such a beautiful path on this side. You can nicely see the pass now. That should be Hampta Pass. Beautiful views. And the weather is actually pretty clear today until 1 p.m. The time right now is what, 8:30 a.m. So I think we'll be able to make it nice and slow. Saving our energy for the climb near the pass. It's nice and gradual, all safe.
बिना कोई एफर्ट लगाए जा रहे हैं यहाँ तो, नहीं तो उस तरफ जाते तो क्या होता हमारा.
Yeah, we can see a proper trail we can see there, but I think this is much more efficient. So I think this is Shiagaru. What a beautiful day. It's so nice. There are some pretty magnificent glaciers there, but the peaks don't have a name. Yeah, we can also see a few snow bridges. The snow is yet to melt, but then you just have to check. In most of the cases, these bridges are safe to cross. So we are here at the Shiagaru campsite. Wow. And we are at 3900 meters. We did some 8 kilometers in 3 hours 45 minutes. Let's take a 15-20 minute break and then we'll start climbing the pass. We'll remove our shoes and socks, we'll let them dry, we'll keep them in the sun. And we have parotas! Yeah! We'll finish eating parotas and then that's the approach to the pass. Nicely done.
थोड़ा शुगर लो हो गया था जान ही नहीं बची
ये लो शुगर
We have sugar.
नींबू पानी बना के पियेंगे ना
हाँ We are carrying powdered jaggery. Paratha at times becomes too dry.
Wow. और ये इंस्टेंट एनर्जी देता है हमको.
Yes.
तो हमारे पीछे है क्या है वो देव टिब्बा. हनुमान टिब्बा याद आ जाता है. हाँ तो देव टिब्बा के सामने हैं हम.
सारा खाना खत्म कर देंगे. खाना पास चढ़ने के लिए एनर्जी दे देगा.
हाँ.
उधर हम खुद जाएंगे.
हम क्या करेंगे? मतलब
नींबू.
हम ज़्यादा उसमें पी जाएंगे और पीछे से पानी पीते रहेंगे.
पीछे से पानी
हाँ वो बढ़ता रहेगा.
So this is from where you can fill the water. 10:25 a.m. We have started our move towards the pass. We'll be climbing up to the pass. It's going to get super steep soon, but the weather is nice and clear. I'm making a move towards the last climb for the pass. So 200 meters left. The snow is quite manageable, not that hard. Yeah. So see, this is how these big chunks of ice keeps falling down from the top. इधर आ जाओ, थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ.
आर्थिक इस तरफ आ जा भाई.
See, they are going super fast speed. And it's almost what 11 a.m. so the sun sort of melts everything.
आराम से.
So we're right here. So we have to climb in this gully till the point where these contours are steep, and then you have to come on this side because that gully is a recipe for good amount of rock falls, and this is the approach then. The steep last 200 meters for the bus.
मजा आ रहा है लेकिन.
Yeah, super happy. Beautiful views of Hampta Nala.
अभी काफ़ी बोल्डर्स गिरे. बच गए हम थोड़ा. जस्ट 2 मिनट पहले राइट साइड में हो लिया हूँ. रिस्की लग रहा है मेरे को ना ये एरिया. हाँ, this is safe.
You're always protected by a rock.
हाँ.
So anything that comes here goes from top of your head.
You can see. This is very
But
scary.
yeah, this is
Huh,
too much of snow for the month of June.
Yeah.
And therefore you see nobody is crossing the pass actually.
हाँ. They are here only.
So see, this is the slope from where everything is just melting and falling down. Nicely done. It's quite something. Don't hurry on such slopes, okay? Find a nice grip for your feet and stand strong. Feet always 90 degrees to the slope. We see people here. They call this as the summit of the pass. Doesn't make sense. A pass usually don't have a summit. So see, this is the valley. That's where Chatru was. So we came here, climbed up, did a quick snow traverse underneath that rock, and now we are here. Yeah, bidding our goodbye to Hampta Pass at 12:15 p.m. It was a nice 6-hour speed hike all the way up to the pass, and now we'll have a nice trail to follow, because thanks to the guided groups that are coming all the way to the pass and going back, so this would be nice and fun. It is still difficult for everybody to cross the pass and go on the other side, so the group leaders are actually taking sensible decisions, mature decisions of not crossing the pass with a group of people. Now there are 3 campsites now: Bhaluka, Gera, Chika and Jobri, one after the other. But it's a nice and gradual descent all the way. Hello. Hello. We can see the campsite now far away. You can also see people walking. That's actually the trail. This one. Yeah, we have done some 1100 meter of ascent, 700 meter of descent. We're at 3700 meters right now. We've done some 12.5 kilometers in the last 7 hours. Burned some 2000 calories. Feels like a tent colony. Whoa. Nice. And these are the toilet tents.
पराठा जिंदाबाद गुड भी हमारा
Yeah.
वाह वाह वाह
We have made it to the Jwara campsite. The next campsite would be Chika. Wow, man, wow. Just wow. So after hiking for 9.5 hours, doing some 20 kilometers, we have reached Chika. Now the end point for our trek is Jobri, which is 3 kilometers away now. Yeah, 22 kilometers. We are at Jobri. Tents everywhere. Yeah, we can now see the road head right there. So that's where the trek sort of ends or starts, basically. Somewhere around 23-24 kilometers. Sheep colony. A big group. Hello. So exactly at 5 p.m. we are ending the trek. We are at 2800 meters right now. We did 1200 meters of gain and 1700 meters of descent, 11 hours and some 24 kilometers done. And now we are at the road head. We are done with Hampta, finally done, done. And what's the good news?
Another 9 kilometers
Yeah.
to go.
So we have decided to walk back home, which is a trail called the Sethan Circuit.
Yes.
We'll hike another 9 kilometers to go home directly. Nice single trail. We have the last little stalk of jaggery.
वो ले लो.
नहीं बस तुम खाओ. This is our favorite rock from the Sethan circuit. Such a beautiful view of the whole valley. It's 7:45 p.m. After hiking for some 33 kilometers, we are finally back home. And this is the beautiful town of Old Manali right there. And the last set of stairs. We'll finish it strong. Back to Trinidad. Done. Done. 2 more bodies are coming.
टाइम से आगे
Yeah.
अंधेरा होते होते.
Yeah, just on time. Right now hiking towards Chandra Pass, a mountain pass that connects 2 valleys. On one side we have the bigger village of Nagar in the Kulu valley, and then we have the Malana village in the other valley, a 3700 meter pass